everybody, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about my eyebrow routine. First, I like to tweeze my unwanted hair. Then I'm gonna use my cuticle scissors and spoolie. Cuticle scissor is to trim my eyebrow hair, and spoolie is to brush. Here I'm taking Makeup Revolution's brow definer. This is what it looks like. First of all, I like to shape them, then fill. My this eyebrow is naturally straight, so I like to make it arch. Then I'm going to comb up my hair. For that, I'm using the spoolie side of the brow definer. Then I'll be taking arch brush and using the darkest shade from Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette. I took small amount of product and applying it onto my eyebrow. Here I'm taking my Elegant Pro Concealer and applying it all over my eyelid. It will also hide if I made any mistake. Then I'm going to set the concealer with a setting powder. Here is the final look. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.